Hello friends, let us now learn about previous year questions in AIMS. The picture given below is a life cycle of. So here if you see these are the some birds. These are actually bats which are feeding on fruits. So these are fruits bats. So on eating fruit these disease is transmitted by fruits bats. So obviously it is Nipah virus. The disease which is showing is Nipah virus, which is a zoonotic disease which is transmitted by large fruit bats. Then next question. Pick the right answer when two screening tests are done in series. So you were given two screening tests are done in series. What are the results? See, I remember this has like this. Sorry, I will write it over there only. See, if two screening tests are done in series, so series is SG, so there will be decreased sensitivity and there is increased specificity. Okay, because SE will decrease, so in series sensitivity will decrease and specificity will increase. If you see the similar for parallel, if two screening tests are given in parallel, P is present for specific, so specificity will decrease and sensitivity will increase. Specificity will decrease and sensitivity will increase, that is parallel. So this is how I remember. If the two things are in parallel, specificity will decrease and sensitivity will increase, right? Next, the next question. In a clinical trial, blood pressure was measured in a group of students before and after treatment. Before and after treatment you will see the blood pressure. So if you measure anything before and after treatment, then that is paired t-test. What is this type of test? This is actually a paired t-test which will measure before and after the treatment. Then next question. In a clinical trial, blood pressure was measured in two independent groups following the treatment. Then which of the following will be suitable test? If it is paired t-test, two related groups. If the two groups are related, then it is paired t-test. If two groups are independent, then it is unpaired t-test. Okay, chi-square is for ratio between the two. Okay, for that you will do chi-square. In ANOVA, more than 2, even for 3 or 4, for them you will see ratio between the two. Sorry, more than 2, then you will do ANOVA. For chi-square test you will see the association between the two or more group. For comparing proportions or for association you will see chi-square test. Next question. Which of the following is true regarding the following images? So an image is given. Which of the following is true? So we'll have to see mean, mode and median. Okay, see, mean is the middle part of it. Okay, so if this is the normal distribution, the mean will be in the midpoint. Okay, even the median, if you see for both these diseases, for both these curves, mean will be the midpoint. Even the median will also be the same because it is by good distribution. See, this red line is normal distribution. Okay, whereas this green line is bimodal distribution. Okay, so in normal distribution, if you see, mean is equal to median is equal to mode. So in normal distribution, this is only mean, this is the median and this is the mode. But if it is bimodal, then mean is equal to median, but modes will be 2. See, this is one mode, this is one mode. So in this question, mean and median of these both curves is same but not the mode, because if it is a bimodal distribution, you will find presence of two modes are seen, right? So next question. A noun case of tuberculosis is now resistant to rifampicin. A noun case of tuberculosis is now resistant to rifampicin and isoniazid. So what is this type of TB? This is an MDR TB. In an MDR TB, which of the following drugs will be given? Actually, in MDR TB, you will give 6 drugs for 6 months and 4 drugs for 18 months. 6 drugs are given for 6 months and 4 drugs are given for 18 months. So what are the 6 drugs which are given in MDR-TB? In MDR-TB we have 2 phases, in intensive phase and continuation phase. So in intensive phase, I remember it by the mnemonic KP Lees. K for kanamycin, P for actually Lees. Okay. K for kanamycin, P for pyrazinamide, then L for levofloxacin, E for ethambutol, okay, other E for ethionamide, and C for cycloserine. So all these are seen in intensive phase. Then if you see in the continuation phase, this intensive phase will be for 6 to 9 months, whereas continuation phase will be for 18 months, and these are only 4 drugs which is given by the mnemonic Lees, that is levofloxacin, ethambutol, ethionamide and cycloserine. So these are the 4 drugs which you see in the multi-drug resistant TB in continuation phase for 18 months. Then next question. Next question is, you were given a kit. This is the kit which is given and it is used for the treatment of. So this is the kit which is given for the treatment of. So actually this is the kit used for the treatment of leprosy. So here in this kit you were given, this is the dose which should be given on day 1, okay, and this is the dose which is given from day 2 to 28, and this whole blister pack should be, this whole pack should be completed in 1 month. So in this one day you will see here there is one tablet, this tablet which you can see, this is the one tablet of dapsone, okay, and these two which you can see, these 3, this is one tablet of dapsone, I will use other color, okay, these 3 tablets which you can see, these are the 3 tablets of clofazimine which is 100 milligrams, okay. Then we have the other one, these 2, these are the 2 drugs which are actually rifampicin. These are the 2 tablets of rifampicin, each of 300 milligrams, that is 300 milligrams into 2, that is 600 milligrams of rifampicin, dapsone of 100 milligrams and clofazimine of 300 milligrams. Then this is once a day dosing. These all are once a day dosing. This is clofazimine and this is dapsone, once a day dosing. This is actually an adult multibacillary treatment for adult. Adult multibacillary treatment is this kit, that is leprosy, right. Then the next question. This is the next question. A newly introduced vaccine include all of the following except. See, newly introduced vaccine according to 2016 and 2018 vaccine update. This 2018 vaccine update, 2016 to 2018 vaccine update, we have 3 new vaccines, rotavirus, dengue and malaria vaccines have been added. Okay, thank you for watching.